Kalshi App Review 2025 The Future of Event Trading. You won't believe how financial markets are evolving in 2025. Kalshi App offers event-based trading, allowing users to speculate on outcomes like elections, economic indicators, and global events. But is it worth exploring? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking event trading is only for professionals. Kalshi makes it simple with a user-friendly interface, low entry costs, and real-time market updates. You can buy and sell contracts predicting yes or no outcomes on a variety of events. Another advantage is diversification. You won't believe what happens next when you realize you can use Kalshi to hedge risks or test market strategies on real-world events. It provides a unique way to engage with markets beyond traditional stocks or commodities. However, there are cons. Event trading carries risk, and contracts can expire worthless. Users need to understand market mechanics and probabilities. Additionally, regulation and market liquidity may affect certain trades, so research is critical before investing. In conclusion, Kalshi App in 2025 is ideal for adventurous traders or anyone interested in event-based speculation. While it carries risks and requires knowledge, the platform offers an innovative and accessible approach to trading on real-world outcomes. For those curious about alternative financial markets, Kalshi represents a bold and exciting frontier.